Let's talk about HTML tables and how to create them. Um, to start, tables are defined with the table tag in HTML. And tables are divided into rows and columns in which data can be put inside. So you have your rows with the table row or TR tag, and columns, which is the TD or table data tag, to contain links, images, lists, forms, text, or those types of things. So let's go ahead. We've got our basic HTML here. And let's go ahead and build out a very simple table. So in our title, we'll call this HTML table basics. In the body, let's go ahead and start out with our table tags. We're going to say table. And then we're going to add a modifier. We're going to say border equals 1. Now, what that border equals 1 will do is it'll put a border on the table so we can actually see what we're creating. If you don't have that, it'll create the table, but you won't have any borders to it. Next thing that we want to do is, and we're trying to create a 2-row by 2-column table. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to type in table row, and then table data. And this inside of table data, we can call this row 1, cell 1. I'm just putting the text in there so that you can kind of see what will go there. And then we'll create another table data cell. Now remember, these table data cells are the columns, and the table rows are the rows. So you have a row and then column elements with these table data calls in each one of them. So this will be row 1, cell 2. Again, we're building a 2-by-2 table. So now we've completed those 2 cells. We're going to close out our table row. We're going to start a new table row. Table row. And then table data. And this is going to be row 2, cell 1, / table data. Table data. Row 2, cell 2. We're going to close out the table row, close out the table. And let's go ahead and look at this. We'll go ahead and save that and then drag that into the browser. So we have row 1, cell 1, row 2, cell 2. So we created a very simple 2-by-2 table.